What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be wrapping this part, the back chrome thing. So we're gonna be doing a chrome delete in the back. So basically I'm gonna be doing this one first just to like get a hang of it, and then I'll come back and show you guys how to do the top part with the Infiniti letters cut out. So yeah, let's get into it. If you guys are not subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe, as it will help me grow my channel and help me keep making content for you guys. Okay, so here you go, guys. We have the bottom part finished. Looks pretty good to me. Everything's covered, there's no chrome showing. Even the bottom, looking good. So now let's get to the top part. Okay, so basically what I noticed when I was doing the bottom part was like there's still water in behind this thing. So even if you dry the surface, there's still gonna be water behind it. So best advice would be to clean this up, the top part, leave it for about like, let's say half an hour, and then come back and then do it. But yeah, the process should be the same. So let me explain. Okay, so let's get started now. It's been drying for about like an hour almost. So should be good. Okay, so while it was drying, I just went ahead and took some vinyl and just try to see like what's the best way to go about this. So basically now I know like how to do it, and like I'll be able to actually tell you guys the right thing and not make you guys like buy vinyl and then waste money on it and then it not turn out good. First of all, same thing as the bottom, just like try to squeeze all the air out with your finger only. Okay, so the best way I found to go about this is to just try to like see the outline of the letter. Okay, so this is the first letter of the emblem thingy. So once you see the outline, the letter I, you want to cut straight on like where it ends, not where it dips down, but where this like the face ends. So then when you cut it on the end of the letter, and then you squeeze all the air out, it's gonna go flush against the letter, against the side of the letter. So yeah, let me give it a try and we'll see what the finished product looks like. So then once you're done cutting it around it, all you're gonna need to do is squeeze all the air out. And yeah, this is what the whole thing should look like. So I'm gonna speed this up now, and you guys get the basic idea. Okay, so now that I'm done wrapping the letters, as you can see, and I'll walk you guys like through it later on after I tuck in everything, because I'm gonna come back here and clean it up. But yeah, now that I'm done that, I'm just gonna tuck all the like excess vinyl in, and then cut it, and then tuck it in again. trying to tuck this part in, like inwards, but it's not going in. So I guess the best part to do this is to put a relief cut right here. Make sure to not cut it short. Yeah, okay, that works better now. So all you have to do is just put the line straight down. And if I'm going to do the same thing here. And you should be good. And now just tuck it in and cut. Okay, so I think we're ready to start trimming now. So I'm going to start like at the top. So if you guys notice, I have some masking tape back here. That's because I'm going to be cutting out the paint. I should have done it down here too, but I didn't, but I'm doing it now. But basically, even though you have the masking tape, just still cut like very lightly because you don't want to go through the masking tape and the paint. So yeah, I'm just going to cut maybe like 2 millimeters away from the top of the trim. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting the top, it looks very good. I'm not worrying too much about like the cut being too straight because I am going to be tucking it behind the bar. So yeah, that's that. And then now I'm going to cut the sides. Okay, so for the sides, you're going to see the gap in here. Basically, don't cut it against the trim, cut it against the tail light. Okay, so I told you guys how to cut the top and the sides, and now all you have left is the bottom, right? But the bottom is pretty simple if you ask me. It's probably the most simple out of everything. So really all you have to do is like there's a line here, so just cut on the line. Don't worry, you're not gonna cut the plastic off, so just do that lightly and you should be good. So now all the cut is done. Now basically you can start tucking, which is what I'm going to do, but just before that I'm just going to go over it with my heat gun and yeah, just make sure it doesn't peel back. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. As you guys just saw, like there's no chrome showing on the top, just a little bit on the bottom, but come on, if you're looking at it from the back or even up close from here, you can barely see it, not even. But anyways, here's how I did the actual thing. First of all, the hardest letters are going to be the ends, since they have that like very sharp indentation here. This is gonna be like a nightmare. So if you want, go ahead and leave those two for last. But what I did was I just started from one side and went to the other, so that like there wouldn't be like any air trapped in between. But anyways, like I said before, lay the vinyl on top. Make sure you squeegee all the air in between the letters out, and then squeegee the air around the letter out. And then just cut like on the line right here. And then just cut on the line right here, like the very border. And then take your heat gun. I mean, you don't even need a heat gun, but take your squeegee and squeegee all the air out. And just do that for all the letters, and you'll be left with this or something close to that. And the bottom, I mean, if you can do the top, you can do the bottom. Come on, guys, so easy. But anyways, right now all I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's still like a bit of vinyl left on top of the letters, so I'm just gonna go and then just trim it off. But you guys don't have to do that. It looks great like that right now. If you guys want to keep it like this, I'd go ahead. Like, I don't think anyone's gonna notice, or yeah. But honestly, like I don't see how you guys can justify paying like over $200 for that, like to pay someone to do it when I just basically did it myself. Even the side door handles, the other side's done too. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description down for all the products I used. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe because, well, there's plenty of stuff coming up for the channel, as you guys can see. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like button and subscribe. And see you in the next one.